Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. Here it opens up in the profile menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, tap on the cog icon, and then tap on password. And here we can enter our old password, then set the new password and then type it in again to confirm it. And after we are done, we can just tap on save in the middle of the screen, and our password is going to be updated. Then we can just tap on save again, and yeah, our password will be changed, and we can use the new one when we sign in. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.